Hey there, we're going to do a little camcorder comparison. We're going to check out the sound and we're going to check out image stabilization. I'm recording this one right now on a Canon Vixia HF. I'm recording this one right now on a Canon Vixia HF M500. Recorded with the GoPro with the underwater housing. This is recorded with the GoPro without the underwater housing. This is recorded with the Nikon D3200 camera, and I did a focus. This is recorded with the Canon Vixia HF S30. I'm just holding it.